Hi, I'm Jack Liebersohn, and I'm an assistant professor in the economics department at UCI. I came to UCI from Ohio State, where I was an assistant professor of finance. I got my Ph.D. in 2018 from MIT Sloan. My current research is about corporate finance, household finance, and housing markets. So for example, a recent paper of mine looks at why housing booms and busts happens. And we show that where growing industries are located, like manufacturing or financial services, can explain why house prices fluctuate. I decided to come to UCI because of the fantastic research environment, excellent colleagues, and of course, wonderful students. One thing I'd like my students and colleagues to know about me is that I may come from the Midwest, but I've always been a Californian at heart.